Welcome guys, it's a beautiful spring day and I'm sat here in an ancient woodland. Today we're going to look at all of the flora and I'm going to tell you how you can identify that we're in an ancient woodland right now. So let's go check it out. We're now going to look at indicator species. And what do I mean by this? Indicator species are particular plants that can help tell us which habitat we're in. We're here in a beautiful ancient woodland, so we're going to go look for some plants that can show us that it's an ancient woodland. Let's go see what we can find. Wow, first up guys, wild garlic we've got down here. There's a couple other indicator species throughout, but we're going to talk about this specific one. So firstly, look where we are. We're in dappled shade underneath the woodland canopy, and you can see this beautiful star-shaped white flower. Come in and have a look. This is really clear when it's out in bloom and an easy word to tell. We've also got here this spear-like leaf shape. Can you see that? And if you crush it up, it's got that beautiful wild garlic smell. A key thing to note about this species is it's edible. You can make wild garlic butter out of this and all type of things. You can eat the bud and the leaf. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can also find it in wet areas. Look, there's a river behind us. This is the best place to find it. Wet areas, dappled sunlight, and in beautiful carpets like this. Let's go check out the next one. Number two, guys, it's not by any surprise. It's here, it's the bluebell, otherwise called English bluebell or common bluebell. And you can see at this time of year, it carpets the ancient woodland floor. It's an absolute beautiful species and it is protected. So we want to be really careful where we're treading, and we want to make sure that we're not picking or damaging it. So how can I tell that this is bluebell? It's really delicate. Can you see how delicate it is? And it droops over, the bluebells do. On top of this, it's got a beautiful smell, and different to the Spanish bluebell, you can see it's got delicate leaves, delicate stems, and a beautiful droop to it. A Spanish bluebell will stand up straight. You're also unlikely to find a Spanish bluebell in these ancient woodlands. You're more likely to find them in gardens. So wow, look at this, beautiful time of year. Number two comes by no surprise. It is the bluebell. Number three is down here. It's the beautiful wood anemone. Can you see these lovely white star-shaped flowers? And this leaf pattern is very recognizable. I've got here wild garlic, and if you can see the two next to each other, you can see that they can look similar and they both carpet the woodland floor, but that is the distinct difference. You can see here it's got about, how many it's got? 6 petals here, they can have up to 7, and you can see how much more different that is there. With all of these ancient woodland indicator species that we've seen so far, wood anemone, bluebell and wild garlic, they're all really delicate, and that's why you've got to be really mindful to be sticking on the path. As myself as an ecologist, I've also got to be really mindful of this, but we're just stepping in small areas that are clear and free of them, so I can show you these beautiful ancient woodland indicator plants. Wow, what a beautiful watercourse right next to the ancient woodland here, and no surprise, we've got wild garlic growing right at the edge. It loves those kind of wet areas and that dappled shade as we talked about before. It's no surprise, the bugs like the wild garlic flowers as much as we do. It's important to remember that if you're picking and foraging wild garlic, you just leave some for nature so they can enjoy it too. Right guys, we're still looking for number 4 and 5 of those ancient woodland indicator species. Let's hope we can find them. Number 4 of the ancient woodland indicator species is dog mercury. We've got it down here. You can see it's quite similar to the wild garlic in the shape of its leaves, but a key distinguishing feature is their opposite. So you can see here, opposite. They've got these beautiful, small, delicate green flowers, and this is number 4. Guys, I'm having a hard time finding number 5, which is Primrose, and that shows what a privilege it is once you do see it. It's another beautiful ancient woodland indicator species, and I'm going to see if I can find it in this carpet of wild garlic. Fingers crossed. Come and have a look at this. It's not one of our indicator species, but look at this beautiful marsh marigold growing in this wet area. Loves wet area. You can see it by these big bright yellow flowers. Guys, we finally found it, Primrose. It's down here. You can see this beautiful yellow flower with that darker yellow or orange centre, and it's got these big leaves. Primrose is an early bloomer, so you can see it gets dominated by the other plants as they bloom. And that is amazing. That is number 5 of our ancient woodland indicator species. I was worried there, guys, that we weren't going to get that 5th ancient woodland indicator species. It's important to note that there are many others, and this is just 5 kind of unique ones to help you learn and identify ancient woodlands. Cheers for watching.